Oh my gosh, I have one bar left. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, this video was inspired by the one, the only Shannon Sharp. Now, if you've been lost, if you've been out of the bubble, if you're not chronically online, if you've been living under a rock, then you probably don't know that Shannon Sharp accidentally went live and the whole world essentially heard him performing with a young lady, and it was very sensational. I enjoyed it quite a bit. I'm a very much a, you know, I like hearing, I like watching. What's the word I'm looking for? I'm a voyeur? Is that the word I'm looking for? I'm a voyeur. Anyways, we couldn't see anything. All we could do is hear, right? I have a theory on it. I have my own conspiracy theory. He did say that he was hacked, and then he went back on live with Ocho Cinco and said he wasn't hacked. I personally didn't watch the live. I'm just going off of what people have been saying online, which I know I should be doing my research, but whatever. This morning, my babe Kimila Vag, she did a little, I think she went live actually, but she posted it on her Instagram feed. Instagram, whatever. She posted it, whatever you young people call it. And her theory was that this was a marketing ploy, like a marketing tactic, where he's going to start promoting this one brand, because in the live with Ocho Cinco, he was holding these little packets or something. And she thinks he's going to start promoting, or this brand is going to reach out to him, or the brand has already reached out to him, and they're trying to figure out a way to navigate coming into this sexual sphere. You know, he is an older man, so he would need a little bit of help, or maybe not even need. Anyways, that's her theory. My theory is that he was probably taking pictures and videos with the Instagram camera. A lot of people like to use the Instagram camera. Me personally, I like the front facing, yeah, like just, or is that the rear face? What camera is that? The camera with it on the outside, I like use that one there because it just captures everything so well. Especially if you want to share it, you know, it just is better. Anyways, that's not the point of the video, but that's my theory, that he was using the Instagram camera to take pictures and videos. But her theory sounded really good too, and that's I'm saying that mainly because I didn't watch the actual Ocho Cinco live, but I trust her with my entire life. So there's that. Now the point of the video, talking you through it. In this video that was accidentally uploaded, accidentally went live, and somebody screen recorded said live. I don't even know how the live ended. Somebody have to tell me how the live did end, because did he grab his phone or did it just shut off? Questions that need answers. Somebody comment down below and tell me how the live ended, because all I saw was little snippets, and when I saw it, I was honestly kind of depressed. Anyways, moving on. So talking you through it. Me personally, I enjoy a good talker. I enjoy a good, that's my girl, good girl, stick your tongue out. I like a good, you like that? I like a good, you know, as my top 2 love languages, physical touch, words of affirmation. If you're physically in it, and then you're affirming my actions or affirming, you know, the things that we're doing, I like that. I like that a lot. And I noticed, I realized that a lot of my girlfriends and just random girls on the internet, they enjoy it as well. They like being talked through it. And Mr. Shannon Sharp, he was talking that young lady through it, and I loved that for her. And I feel like that's what made it so you know, because it's not necessarily who it was more so the things that he was saying. He knew what to say, when to say it, how to say it, you know, all of that matters. When, where, how. Okay, so yes, me personally, also, I'm a bit of a talker. I don't think I talk too much, right? But I feel like, you know, someone want to look a thing, yeah. Especially if I'm with a girl. I don't know. I can say for like threesomes and stuff like that, right? I'm usually the one who's in control. I'm the one giving direction. I'm the one saying, all right, lay down here, do this, get up here, do that, blah blah blah. Especially if it's with me and my man and we bring somebody in. Now if I'm the third in the situation, I typically let the other girl who's there take the lead as much as she can. Eventually it typically comes back around to me being the more dominant one, honestly. And that's mainly because I do like more submissive women. If you are the aggressor, it's not going to work. If I'm able to have my way with you, yes. But yeah, I like a talker. I am a bit of a talker, and the girls enjoy being spoken to, right? I actually reposted something today on my Insta, and I'm gonna pull it up for you. I'm gonna read them to you. There are a few, right? First one, on your knees. Good girl. Look at me. Use your words. Say it louder. Don't make me ask again. Beg for it. Say please. That's my good girl. Just like that. Come here. You're mine. Show me your tongue. Don't move. I'm proud of you. Listen to me. This could also apply to the girls who have daddy issues. Because trust and believe, yeah. But those are just a few of the things that you could say during the act to get her nice and randy. Okay? Okay. And those are also like my top ones too. Like I love hearing those. Like even just reading them out just right now, like I got so flustered. Like I had to like, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be afraid to talk your girl through it. Don't be afraid to talk your man through it. Don't be afraid to talk during sex. Like, oh my gosh, it shouldn't, oh my gosh, sex should be fun and enjoyed, and you should be completely relaxed and just, when I start talking, you know I'm comfortable, you know I'm relaxed, you know I'm at ease, you know I trust you. If I'm allowing you to speak and you're directing me and I'm following your direction, silly putty. But yeah, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Somebody said I need a new name for my boy bunnies. Well, not boy bunnies, but my male supporters, because the bunny is wild. I don't but boys can be bunnies too.